How to play with friends on survivor.io. Now in this quick video, I'll show you or provide you additional information on how you can play with friends on the survivor.io app. So first things first is make sure that you're currently using the latest version of application so you will have this additional info or additional feature on this app. Now, if you pull up the game, you should be able to see four options available here like the shop, the equipment, the current game, and the evolve option. Now, playing co-op mode or multiplayer mode on Survivor IO is actually possible. However, you just need to unlock the chapter 12. So right now I'm currently fresh. I'm currently on chapter 2, but for you to be able to play with friends, you just need them unlocked at chapter 12 so you can start inviting your friends or play any type of co-op mode onto the game. And that's it. That is how you play with friends on survivor.io.